If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. This lesson shows how to make a journal entry to decrease the value of an other current asset account by using the example from the last lesson of the prepaid rent other current asset account into which 5 months worth of prepaid rent was placed. As you later incur your monthly rent expense of $1,000 per month over the next 5 months, you will use up part of the prepaid rent expense and enter each change to the value of that account into the journal entry window. So, for each of the following 5 months, decrease the amount of the monthly rent from the prepaid rent other current asset account in the period it is actually incurred, and attribute that amount to the rent and lease expense account. To create a journal entry, click the plus new button in the navigation bar, and then click the Journal Entry link under the other heading in the menu that appears to open the Journal Entry window. In this window, enter the date of the entry into the Journal Date field. Enter a reference number for the entry into the Journal Number field. Then click into the first row under the Account column and select the Rent and Lease Expense account. Enter 1,000 into the adjacent Debits column in that row to show the increase to the rent expense account. Then click into the Account column in the next blank row and select the Prepaid Rent Other Current Asset account. QuickBooks should automatically attribute 1,000 to its Credits column, decreasing its value. If not, click into the Credits column and enter 1,000. If desired, you can make this a monthly recurring journal entry for the next 4 months. When finished making the entry, click the Save and Close button to save your work and close the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.